Hi guys, postman's been and it's just starting to rain. Right, this one, I'm pretty sure this is just a memory card from a 7-day shop. Yeah, there we are. 64GB memory card. I've bought that because I've got another little camera on order. So that's what that one's for. And then this one feels very soft. I think it's a case for the camera that we're filming on at the moment. My Samsung Galaxy A51 5G. No, nothing like it. Something completely different. Oh, well, that was a surprise. Well, it's a shopping bag. That wasn't what I expected. Oh, well, never mind. I got a video out of it, didn't I? Unboxing a shopping bag. I collect Yeokens, as they call them, tokens. For Yeo Valley from the yogurt and that sort of thing. And when you've got enough, you can order an item. They used to have quite a few good items. I had a kite at one time, but this is the only item they do, and they only allow you to buy one, or swap your Yeokens for one every year. And I've got about 3,000 Yeokens, and this is 150 Yeokens, so that's a bit annoying really. I could get loads of these. They're nice. They're nice shopping bags for people who like shopping bags. Made from recycled plastic bottles. And they're good sturdy bags. But yeah, that wasn't quite what I was expecting in the post. Never mind. That was it. A memory card and a shopping bag. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.